In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 startup problems, for example, Blackscreen, Bootloop, infinite loading, and stuff like that. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so these issues are usually caused by corrupt system files, faulty updates, driver problems, or even hardware failures. So I've jotted down a few different steps that you can follow to try and fix these issues. Alright, so step one here, or problem solution number one, you can perform a hard reset. So hold down the power button on your PC laptop for about 10 seconds until the computer turns off. Then you want to unplug the power cable for desktops or remove the battery for laptops if possible. Then wait 30 seconds to a minute, then plug it back in and restart. Method number two, boot into safe mode. So if the computer is still stuck in a loop, you want to force shut down 3 times to trigger automatic repair mode. Then from there, select advanced options, troubleshoot, advanced options again, startup settings, restart. Press F4 to boot into safe mode. Once in safe mode, you want to update display drivers. So go to device manager, display adapters, right click your GPU and update the driver. And then from there, you want to run SFC and DISM commands. So open up command prompt and make sure you run it in admin and type SFC scan now, and then jot that in on the next command after the SFC scan now. Method 3, use startup repair. So boot into advanced startup mode, force shutdown 3 times, then go to advanced options, startup repair, and follow the prompts. The fourth method is uninstall recent Windows update. So boot into advanced startup mode, navigate to advanced options, and then uninstall updates. Choose uninstall latest quality update. Method number 5, check disk and fix boot issues. So boot into advanced startup mode, open command prompt and run these commands one by one, and then restart your PC. 6, reset your PC. So if all else fails, boot into advanced startup mode, select reset this PC, keep my files, or if you don't mind about your data, you can remove everything if needed. And yeah, one of these methods should fix your issue. Let me know in the comments below which method worked for you guys.